Good afternoon, everyone. Ian Kangara here again, Director Global Markets, Faida Investment Bank, and also Chief Investment Officer of Oak Special Fund. I'm here again to answer the questions that you've posed on WhatsApp. And today we have a question from Pete. Pete says, hello, what is involved in global market investment? In simple words. So among our investments in different asset classes, we have what we call local and global. Global spans from a simple transaction as a currency transaction, whereby maybe you are trading a Kenyan shilling against the US dollar or euro against US dollar. There is what we call proprietary trading or speculative trading. So we can enter a trade. Let's say we buy euro in the morning against the dollar, while our analysis say that euro maybe is gaining against the dollar for that day. At the end of the day or within the day, the euro gains and you sell the euro against the dollar to make your profit. That is global investment. Also, part of it can involve investment in international equities. The time you decide to buy Alphabet or you buy Nvidia or Amazon, you are basically investing in the global markets. Going to the second question from Pete, what is invested exactly and in which countries? The good thing, there are various exchanges or mediums in which you can trade various assets without locally getting into those countries. One of the things I'll say is about currency trading. I don't have to physically have an account in Australia for me to trade Australian dollar against USD. So currency being one of the invested assets, we can trade across all the continents. So we can trade USD, you can trade Euro, CHF, GBP, New Zealand dollar, JPY, and you can take advantage of all these from a centralized point because there are brokers who are available to provide this liquidity from central points from London, US, and other countries. Other things that we are able to invest which span across different countries involve ETFs or even indices. Indices, if you want to get into the American market, you can do what we call SP 500. You can go to Japan with their JP 225, which gives you exposure across various investments in Japan. So in terms of countries, it's quite a wide scope, but we have our investment committee, which is able to decide on which assets to invest in and which one to refrain for some time, if at all we see there is undue risk in those countries. The third question from them is, what is the minimum investment amount? I'm proud to say after our change of name to Oak, we have revised our minimum investment from 1 million Kenyan shillings to 500,000 Kenyan shillings. However, you are free to top up anything from 50,000 as frequent as you can to continuously increase your investment with us and also subsequently our gains. Thank you a lot, Pete, for that question. For any other questions that you have, feel free to reach us on our WhatsApp number on the screen. Yours truly, Ian Kangara, Director Global Markets, and also Chief Investment Officer of Oak Special Fund. Thank you.